Hi guys, Sarah21. Today I'm going to show you something special. Remember when I showed you guys in some of my other videos the fairies that my mom makes? Well, today I'm going to show you the fairy house that my Opa actually made, which is my grandpa. Okay? And so here's the top of it. Goes down, okay? And then that's me. Right there, like right when I said when I was little. Okay. Okay. Right here is a mushroom that my mom actually sprayed and made it hard. Okay. And it became as a seat. Okay. Now I need to move on. Here's Autumn, one of my other fairies. Over here's Rosetta and Rosie. And like I said, her name's actually Rosebud, the little baby, but I call her Rosie. Okay? So let's go up. Here's steps that you can go up or down. Right here, I missed her announcement, sorry. This is Sunny and her little baby, Sunshine. Okay? Let's go back down. Now, after that, we go down the steps. And here's Rose. Okay? And this is my uncle. Okay? I'm just going to put him to the side for a minute because over here is my, like I said, uncle's so close. Okay, there. There's a hole down there. Okay? And then over here, and you can put your fairy down there, and I'll show you on the bottom where it ends up. Okay, over here you can go up the stairs. There's my dad, like I showed you in the other video. I'm going to show you guys the back later. Okay, up here is where I keep where they keep their baskets. Over here is, a bed. I don't know if you can see it back there. You can't really see that. There. So thank you. There are little baby stone and gravel, and then that's Grandpa for it. Okay? Down here is one of the fairies, Snowflake. Okay? So we're gonna go over here down the steps, and then there's no ladder to go down there, so we're just gonna like fly. Okay? Here's my horse. Okay? Here's my mom, she's cleaning, and my grandmama, she's taking hay out to some of the animals. Here's little steps that go out to a forest. Here's another fairy on a swing, her name's Blueberry. Here I have clothesline, clothes and everything. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can see that. Very good. Okay, under there, somehow we got this like cool basket kind of thing, and we hanged it up, and it's a hammock. And there's one of our girls from Chester. She's French. Okay. Alright. Now we're gonna move to the back. There's nothing really in the back. Okay. Oh wait, I want to show you one more thing. Here's that bottom, like I said, that they come out of. Here, I'll show you. Hold on. Okay. You can sit. Hold on. Okay. There. Actually, there again. I sit down though. Okay. So it's really, really cool that my grandpa made that. Alright. Under there's a sunflower. It's like the light. So it's serving up. Okay. To the back. Okay. Can't really see very much back here. Hold on. There. Okay. So there's my grandpa again that I showed you. Okay. Here's a fairy sitting. That's Holly sitting in her chair. That's the back of my dad. Here's this other place. Okay. Goes under here. That, and then I already showed you that mostly. Okay. Now we're going to the bottom of the back part. There's animal skin that my grandpa, my pappy, sorry, made for me and signed for me. And then here's another fairy, Jingle. That's the brother of Holly. So there we go. That's the back. Okay, I'm gonna go around the front quick and just show you all of it quick. Okay, so that's my fairy house. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned to watch more of my videos. Okay? Okay, rate, comment, and subscribe. Okay, thank you guys. Alright, bye.